Guys, in this video, I'm showing you how you can become a Roomba in G-Tag. Just go back here under the sign. Do this with your controllers for long enough. And to move, you just walk normally, but not up and down. Down, up. And I am not modding because I don't know how to get mods. So now I'm just a Roomba. Vroom, vroom. Oh, and if you want to get out, just push one arm up, push the other arm up, and that's how you do it. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you don't, shh. Oh, by the way, the update's tomorrow. So, yeah. Yay, tomorrow. Subscribe.